Hello guys, welcome to another video on Freeshow. My name is Alakoto Johnson Daniel, Unlimited JB. In this video I'll be showing you how you can connect your Freeshow to your OBS. Now, in order to connect Freeshow to OBS, you need to go over to settings here, then you come to outputs, then you enable the NDI here. So once NDI is enabled here, you want to go over to OBS. But for this to work in OBS, you need the NDI source. So you need the NDI source, which is now called the DistroAV. I'm going to attach the link in the description below for you to download the plugin. For both Windows and for Mac, it's going to take you to the page and you can click on the download and download the file. All right, so now I have it created here. I'm just going to delete this one and create a new one. So I'm just going to click, let me disable this. Then if I click on plus icon here, NDI source, I can call it Freeshow NDI. I click on OK. If you click on this arrow here, you should see Freeshow NDI. But in case you don't have this option showing here, it could be because you don't have this present icon enabled. So if I click on this present icon, now it's showing. If I go back to my OBS to be blank, let me go back to my Freeshow. Let me double click here. So I don't have anything showing on the screen. So let me show something on the screen. Let me click on this. Yeah, so I have this on the screen. So if I click right here, present, I'm having it showing here. Then if I go over to OBS and select here and click on free NDI, now it's showing. So I can click OK. I can right click on this, right click here, go to transform and do fit to screen, since they are having the same resolution, the same dimension, 16:9. So that's why I did that. Otherwise I would have used this undo here to just resize the image. So I'm just going to right click again, go to transform and do fit to screen. So I'm going to lock right away. So that's simply how you can send your Freeshow or connect your Freeshow to OBS using NDI. Another thing you can do is, let's say you are projecting lyrics. Let's say something like lyrics. Let's get a lyrics here. Let's say something like this, and then you have it display here. So if I click on this icon, now you see it's displayed on this background. So that's why, because I have this image enabled, I could click on this icon here. It's going to take that image off from the background. And if I go back to the settings, in the settings icon here, if you go back to NDI, you see it has this transparent. Just watch what happens when I toggle it on. So you see this background will go off. So that's how you can have it as a transparent background right inside of OBS. So if I go back to OBS now, and if I enable this image background, you can see we could see through the image, and then that is fine. You can use it as a lower third, as an overlay, and depending on what you want to use it for. That is simply how you can connect your Freeshow to your OBS. Like, share, subscribe, and then don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any question, you can just drop it in the comment section below. I will attend to them, and see you in my next video. Bye.